AI was supposed to make marketing easier and smarter and faster, right? But here's the truth. 2025 has been packed with epic AI fails that actually made brands look worse, not better. Let's talk about what went wrong, and more importantly, how small business owners like you can avoid making some of the same mistakes. A new MIT study found that about 95% of enterprise AI projects fail to deliver. That's almost all of them. I went to school in Iowa, but that's a lot of them, right? And another report showed over 40% of businesses abandoned their AI initiatives within a year. Why? Because they were chasing hype instead of solving real issues. A lot of small businesses are doing the same. So when you see the big guys bragging about AI transformation, remember, even they're struggling to get it right in some instances. Let's start with Coca-Cola. They tried to use generative AI for their 2024 holiday campaign. I don't know if you saw that or remember anything about it. The result, backlash. People said it looked fake, robotic, and soulless. It didn't feel magical. It felt mechanical. The lesson, you can't outsource heart. I keep saying it over and over on this channel. Maybe you've never watched or got past 3 seconds of a video, but I can tell you that the best thing you can do for your business is your face. Maybe in your phone, maybe a 9:16 video, like something that fits on a reel or a short, and just you answering a customer question. There is an AI available right now in October 2025 that's going to do a better job with your business than you. Okay? Yes, if you can train AI, which you will be able to, you can in some instances right now with software, but train AI to be you and answer those questions. All right, cool. But some people are still going to know. And I think we all do, right? Just the cadence in the speech alone is a little off. AI can still help with creative ideas, but if you skip the human touch, people are going to know instantly, your customers. Then there was Artisan AI. They launched a billboard in New York City that said, "Stop hiring humans." That went over great, as you might imagine. Sure, it got attention, but it also triggered a massive backlash. Just because something goes viral doesn't mean it builds trust. For small business owners, that's the takeaway. Shock might get you some clicks, but trust keeps you in business. And you know what customers do, by the way, when they sense that you're trying to BS them, right? They scroll past it because it doesn't feel real. Because it's not. And if you're using AI to create content, review it, review it, review it, review it, add your personality. Use it to scale your voice, not replace it. Now, here's why all this matters. Big brands can survive an AI blunder. You and I can't. We can't. For small businesses, trust is everything. One-off brand posts, one weird AI image, one tone-deaf email, and your credibility takes a little bit of a hit with that particular customer. So you don't have to fear AI because it's closing in all around us, okay? It is going to be everything. Make no mistake, it really is. In every single piece of our life, you could do yourself a favor right now by messing around with AI. I spend a lot of time doing that. I want to ride it like a surfboard on a wave. I don't want to get left behind, and I would encourage you to do the same thing. Give yourself just a little bit of time to play with it. It's pretty cool, but it also can hurt you. So here's how to keep your AI from embarrassing your business. Start with a real problem. Don't buy tools just because everyone else is, okay? Clean your data. If your customer lists or CRM is messy, AI will magnify the mess. It really will. Oh my gosh. And keep humans in the loop. Use AI for ideas or drafts, but always review before posting. Test small, pilot things before going all in, and have a fail-safe plan. If something goes wrong, be ready to pause, delete, or pivot fast. AI can be powerful, but only when you stay in control. AI isn't the enemy. The problem is when people hand it the keys to their brand without understanding how to drive it. So stay creative, stay human, let AI be the assistant. Keep it in its place, because all too soon, it's going to take over everything. Trust me on that. I'm Max from Max Out Creative. If you know of any epic AI fails, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. I know they're out there, even at a small business level. Take care.